Our topic today is the AI is indeed dangerous. Well, is it true that artificial intelligence has shown tremendous potential in transforming industries and improving our lives? We must not disregard the potential risks and hazards that accompany its development. AI's ability to rapidly process vast amounts of data, while impressive, comes with the risk of unintended consequence. Machine learning bias, also known as algorithm bias or artificial intelligence bias, refers to the tendency of algorithm to reflect human biases. It is a phenomenon that arises when an algorithm delivers systematically biased results as a consequence of erroneous assumption of the machine learning process. As we delegate more decision-making power to AI system, we are also handing over control to algorithm that may lack the ethical judgment and human empathy required for complex situations. This could result in biased outcomes, perpetuating existing inequalities and injustice in society. Speaking to the New York Times, Princeton computer science professor Olga Rusakowski said AI bias goes well beyond gender and race. Bias in AI can harm humans. I can make decisions that affect whether a person is admitted into a school, authorized for a bank loan, or accepted as a rental application. It is relatively common knowledge that AI system can exhibit biases that stem from their programming and data sources. For example, machine learning software could be trained on a dataset that underrepresents a particular gender or ethnic group. However, the rapid advancement of AI technology poses a significant challenge in terms of regulation and oversight. As AI systems become more autonomous, it is become difficult to predict their behavior, potentially leading to unpredictable and harmful outcomes.
The reliance on AI in critical sectors like healthcare, transportation, and finance introduces the risk of catastrophic failures. A single glitch or error in the AI system could lead to disastrous consequences, endangering human lives and the stability of essential services. The infamous saying that to err is human, to really fold things up requires a computer, highlights the potential dangers of entrusting critical decisions solely to AI. Furthermore, the rapid pace of AI development has raised concerns about job displacement. While automation has historically led to job shifts, AI threatens to replace not only routine tasks but also complex cognitive tasks traditionally performed by humans. This could result in widespread unemployment and economic disruption, exacerbating social inequality and instability. In conclusion, while AI holds immense promise, we cannot ignore the potential dangers it brings, from biased decision making to ethical concerns, regulatory challenges, and the risk of catastrophic failures. The adoption of AI must be approached with caution. The human error can be more tolerated than the machine error. The researchers at the University of Wisconsin recently conducted an experiment to see how easily we forgive AI compared to humans. The results were evenly matched with equal levels of trust, but the results changed when each made a mistake. When the AI erred, the participants ignored the AI's input. But when the human made the mistake, only 5% of trust in the candidate dropped. Furthermore, according to research conducted by the British Science Association, there's less trust and more fear that technology will take over. They also conducted an online survey with the results stating that 36% of the public believe that the development of AI poses a threat to human safety in the long run.
AI has demonstrated its potential to enhance various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education, by enabling faster and more accurate decision making. The development of AI-driven medical diagnostic tools, for instance, has the potential to revolutionize patient care by identifying diseases at an early stage, thus increasing the chances of successful treatment. Secondly, proponents of AI's dangers often overlook the fact that technology itself is morally neutral. It's the intentions and actions of humans that make it beneficial or harmful. The focus should be on regulating the application of AI rather than condemning the technology as a whole. Just as society has successfully navigated the ethical complexities of other transformative technologies in the past, we can do the same for AI. Furthermore, AI has the potential to solve some of the most pressing global challenges, such as climate change and resource management. By analyzing vast amounts of data stimulating various scenarios, AI can help researchers and policymakers make informed decisions that could lead to more sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions. Artificial intelligence is poised to benefit humanity in nearly unlimited ways. For example, more accurate clinical imaging and diagnosis, fewer traffic accidents and resulting deaths, and improved retention through immersive learning. With sensors becoming less expensive and wireless networks the norm, AI can help manufacturing plants with predictive maintenance. Machine learning and deep learning can help manufacturers predict machine failure and increase operating efficiency by reducing unnecessary downtime, repair or replacement, and ensuring worker safety. Asset management, sensors, and machine learning can also help manufacturers automate the tracking and monitoring of the location, condition, state, and utilization of connected assets throughout the supply chain, enabling them to cut time to market and increase revenue. Workforce automation. Finally, AI can help manufacturers grow their businesses with automated logistics for better quality products and improve productivity, production rates, and worker safety. It's also important to note that many concerns about AI are rooted in science fiction and speculation rather than concrete evidence. The so-called superintelligent AI that poses existential threats remains a distant possibility, and researchers are actively working on ensuring that AI remains under human control.
So AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI can help businesses save time and money by automating mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more critical tasks. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and suggesting treatment options. It can also help researchers analyze large amounts of data to find patterns and relationships that can lead to new discoveries. Rather than being dangerous, the implications of AI are immensely relieving, both in the short term, best characterized as artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, which specializes in single task, and in longer term, as artificial general intelligence, AGI, which will rapidly surpass human capabilities in practically every domain. Looking further towards the advent of AGI, we must recognize that AI is not a danger, but our greatest opportunity to fulfill our potentials both individuals and as a species. Understandably, concern is expressed over whether AI can be aligned with our aims, referred to as the control problem, by computer scientist Stuart Russell. He proposes that we must embed within AI the recognition that it does not necessarily understand the true objective which humans have input due to our limited knowledge and communicative abilities. Even though that is what it must pursue, in short, it must perceive inherent value in interpreting us cautiously. The development of AGI is likely to be our best chance at solving the many issues of today, as well as those that have plagued us for millennia. Disease, famine, climate change, nuclear hostility, and mortality itself are among the problems that AGI, which would rapidly become artificial superintelligence, or ASI, could theoretically engineer solutions to as a result of its vastly superior intellect and its ability to avoid the infighting in our decision-making processes. DeepMind's the leading AI research laboratory is in what I believe to be the capable and well-meaning hands of Dennis Hassabis, And in a race where every second counts, this outlook serves as a reassurance to it all. In conclusion, the danger lies not in AI itself, but in how it is developed and utilized. Rather than resisting AI's potential, we should be focusing on establishing robust regulatory frameworks, ethical guidelines, and responsible practices to harness its benefits while mitigating risks, just as we have done with other revolutionary technologies. Society has the capacity to shape AI into a force for good. So while the concerns about misuse of AI because of lack of proper regulations can be prevented, it's also important to know that the responsibility of AI development and deployment practices in conjunction with targeted regulations can effectively mitigate these risks. Properly crafted regulations can strike a balance between preventing misuse and fostering innovation. By encouraging transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations within the AI industry, regulations can ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in ways that uphold democratic processes, safeguard individual rights, promote societal well-being.